Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. We got another echo. Yeah, you know, I got a lot of echoes lately. Primero, what's going on? Alright guys, remember I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything, I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough, and the one sound. I'm also going to do the video in Spanish at the end. Voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, you know me, I take everything apart. You see here what we got. Okay. It's one of the covers here. The plastic, everything had to go. When I took it out, everything went out. We got the handle. And I'm going to include the blade. Usually I don't include the blade, but I'm going to include it. I have a lot of blades there I have to put. And we're talking about another 310, okay? Alright guys, we're gonna give it a shot. This one is missing the filter here. Okay? I don't know. Well, the more important thing, I'm sorry. Why did I make this video? Alright. Yeah, you can see already we have a problem, Houston. Hey, talking about Houston, I want to say hi to my boy in case he sees the video. He's in San Angelo in Texas. My boy, I want to say, is a Marine. I want to say hi to all the Marines guys out there. If you're buying from me, thank you. I'm really proud of you, and I'm proud of my son, of course. We got a problem now, guys. You see that piston there? The inside, I don't know how bad it is when I throw a good flash, but at least we're seeing right here. They seen the scratch. Remember, I sold for parts, I sold damaged equipment. Okay, if you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's a broken machine, it's a damaged machine. Oh, let me put the clutch right now. So look, all right, guys, enough is enough. Let's hit it. All right, we're good. We're good. All right, right there. Put a little down. That's it. We're good. Alright, we got it, I think. No, it's not in completely. I don't know why, Roberto. I hate this plastic thing, man. I don't even know why they use it. Oh, I see what it is. Okay, I got it. Alright, now we do. Come on, Roberto. We don't got time, man. Time is money lately. Alright, this is the wrong one. Alright, we got it. Alright, yeah, I've been doing a few machines today. Alright guys, let's go. We're gonna use let me see a spot plug. It came with it. Always check here, it looks good so far. I don't see nothing wrong with it. Alright, we're sure that it's on. Boom, boom, woo, woo. Wee wee. Let's hit it. We're gonna throw a little gasoline. Oh my god, the gasoline, guys, well, I haven't checked. If you're counting on me to do these things, you know me. No gasoline. Let me see if we have a little. No. Alright, this is empty, guys. Let's hit it. Let's shoot him. Let's shoot him with a magic liquid. Shoot me with your best shot. Alright, we got it. It's coming there. 1, 2, 3. I noticed, guys, that you like to put too much. Go easy in it. Please don't put too much, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. so far we know. Guys, at least so far we know. Okay, handle works, coil works, flywheel works, all of that. I didn't like the way the piston look inside. You know, it doesn't look good. But remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a damaged machine. This is a broken equipment. If you don't know what you're doing, you never touch, you're not a shop, you're not a landscaper for many years, or don't get into my store and trying to buy because you're gonna make me waste my time and my customers, please. Okay? Please appreciate that, because a lot of people don't know this is damaged equipment. This is for parts. Okay, thank you guys. I'm gonna put everything back. Remember, it comes with a change. It looks good. It looks good. Oh my god, the weather is changing. I wish you see. You can feel it. It's like I'm in the ocean. This is not. This is I was gonna say sweet water. It's not salt water. It's just a lake, but it's a big lake going down the way. Look at the air right now, guys. Beautiful. All right, guys. For parts, thank you. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Estaba mirando que está entrando un airecito así de lluvia tan fresco, porque es un lago, pero el aire me llega aquí. Bueno, también tengo los ventiladores atrás de mí que ayudan, pero bueno, tampoco vamos a exagerar. Bueno, mi gente, ya saben, por lo menos vimos que la ladera funciona, la bobina funciona y la mariposa funciona. De ahí para allá, recuérdense, yo vendo para partes. Oh, les falta el filtro. Estos son un equipo roto que tienen problemas, aunque ustedes vean que luzquen bien, algo tienen que tener. Ahí más o menos, ya para empezar, sabemos que uno de los más obvios es el pistón. No me gusta como luce arañado, pero bueno, yo vendo para partes. Y de ahí para allá tiene todas sus cosas, se ve bastante bien. Parece que quién sabrá lo que habrá pasado con ella, no la supieron cuidar bien, pobrecita. Hay gente que son irresponsables. Un equipo tan bonito. Y el clutch ahí, vamos a probar ahí que está en lock ahora. Ah, mira, por eso fue una de las cosas que seguro se me apagó, porque estaba en el lock. Tenía que haberle puesto el clutch, se me olvidó. Pero bueno, por lo menos hizo lo que tenía que hacer. Bueno, mi gente, ya saben que se me une a la raza.